boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar and to South of France. I'm sitting here in my apartment recording songs for you guys. I have work, I have some vacation, and in between I do some Goran Guitar for you guys to have something to play on. Now let's go into this one, OneRepublic's beautiful colors. It's the Kaiju number 8. And Kaiju, for what I understand, is Japanese written story and manga style. I don't know a lot about that. I know it's about great monsters, so that is cool. And for you guys who love that, and maybe this song, this tutorial is for you guys. So let's go into it. As you can see, clean on fretboard, no need for any capo here. We have 5 chords to handle. So let's start with rows. We're gonna start with G first. And normally we don't go with bar, but this time we do a bar chord because it's easier with melody later on. You're gonna see that. Anyway, this is a bar on the 3rd fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add 5th on A, 5th on G, and 4th on G. Next chord will be the A minor. So you slide inwards closer to your body with another bar chord. So you place the index finger now on the 5th fret to push down same, all 6 strings. And then you need to add 7th on A and 7th on D. We're gonna continue with the E minor. And E minor goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C as well. That goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have a C minor played once, and that's a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the 3rd fret, you push down all strings except from the last E string in the bass here. And then you need to add 5th on D, 5th G, and 4th B. There you have all the chords needed. Now let's go into this first part, the first verse. And you're gonna play a picking pattern. So I'm gonna teach you how to do that chord by chord, starting with G. So I suggest you hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play that pattern for 2 rounds. So it's 3rd fret E string, 4th G, 3rd B, and back to 4th G. 2 times of that sounds. You slide up to the A minor, and for this specific part of the song, the melody picking pattern, it's enough to just hold the bar on 5th fret. That's it. So you're gonna play this pattern for 2 rounds, and that is simply to play 5th E, 5th G, 5th B, and back to 5th G for 2 rounds. And then you play the E minor. That's the last chord of this verse play. And it's just open strings, so you can do whatever you want with this left hand or whatever hand you use for the fretboard. And you're gonna play it for 4 rounds this. Okay, so that's open E string, open G, open B, and back to open G. 4 rounds of that goes. And that's 1 chord progression round. So together, everything sounds like this. That is 1 chord progression round, like I mentioned. You're gonna play 4 of them, and that is the first verse. Now over to the pre-chorus. That happens about 39 seconds in. You're gonna play 1 down on the following chords with pauses in between C and 1 down on C minor. And that's it. And that takes us into the first chorus. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is a strumming pattern. We're gonna learn it. So grab the first chord, which is a G, and 1 round goes down, up, clap, up, down, up, like this. Okay, so you're gonna play down, up, then clap, up, down, up. If you put all that together, it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is 1 round. And you're gonna play 1 round per chord in the following order: G, A minor, E minor, and C. And you're gonna play that portion for 4 rounds. So again, G, A minor, E minor, and C. I played 2 rounds for you. You're gonna play 4 rounds, so double up that, and you'll have finished the first chorus. And then we have the post-chorus part. Guess what? You're just gonna play it exactly in the same way for another 2 rounds. That's the first round of everything. Then you jump back into the second verse, and from now on there are no news. You have 4 rounds of that same picking pattern. And then second round here, we don't have any second pre-chorus. You just jump from that verse right into the second chorus. 4 rounds of that strumming, G, A minor, E minor, C. And then you're gonna finish off with this second post-chorus play, and another 2 same rounds of chorus play. And then you have the outro part left. I suggest here you play 1 down on the following chords: G, A minor, E minor. And guess what, my friends? That is how you handle OneRepublic's beautiful colors. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I love to do this tutorial, so if you want to give me something back, that's very, very okay and welcome. Thank you, and play tuned.